Everything was going perfect until I fucked up. Like, hi guys, so let's jump right into it. I got this 360 boho braided wig from Amazon. She is so beautiful. I'm going to be showing you guys how I fully installed this wig, how she looked out the package, and everything you need to know to get your hair to be slayed. First and foremost, this wig is a 360-degree lace. This means the lace covers the entire circumference of your head. With that being said, she is a full lace wig, so that means installation is very important. The knots on this wig come pre-bleached already, and the wig looks already pre-plugged. The hairline is very lightweight, low density, and the braids are so beautiful. I love how seamless the hairline is, giving it that realistic look. The braids are very lightweight, and they are so vibrant. Because this is transparent lace, she is going to melt and look so gorgeous against your skin. I personally recommend this Ruby Kiss Cream Foundation for the perfect blend. And of course, you want to make sure you're getting the shade that matches your skin tone so that you can get the best results. Here I'm showing you where I'm going to be cutting to get my perfect cut for my ear tabs. I did pre-cut the back of the wig off the camera so that it could be easier for me to record. And here I'm just going to go around my ear so that I can make sure that the wig fits directly around my ear to cut as a curve. Please know that you can glue this unit all the way around, but I decided to only glue it in the front for personal preference. As you guys can see, the ear tabs were cut out perfectly and I did not mess up any braids. The dimensions of this wig is 22 to 22.5 and that fits my head perfectly. So if you have this size head, then this wig is going to fit like a glove. Here's the back of the hair and it looks perfect even without glue. So you're going to be fine if you don't glue this wig down the back. At this point, everything was going perfect until I fucked up. Like, did y'all just see what happened? Y'all, I totally got glue everywhere. It was all over the place, but you know what? That could not stop any shine. The show must go on. I did go ahead and clean myself up. I got myself together and your girl got right back to it. All right, so more perks about this hair is 100% human hair boho box braids. It has transparent lace around the whole perimeter. It is high density. It looks very natural and full. It's easy to install. You guys already know how hard it is to achieve braids on your own if you're not a braider. This style is very convenient and cost effective. If you don't want to pay $300 to get your hair done, then $300 more to buy human hair, this wig is literally a go-to. The cost of this unit is $247 and it can get all the way up until around $350, I believe, for the longest inch, which is 26 inches. This unit is 18 inches. So the cost for what you're getting is so effective. And don't forget, your girl can be delivered on Amazon Prime. So if you order your wig, you're going to get her in a day or two. You don't have to sit around waiting. Your hair is going to be here and you're going to have braids on demand. I loved how it had natural baby hair, so it's not giving like fake looking. I did go with a fluffy baby hair so that it can continue to keep that natural hairline. But as you can see, the lace was melting right off and it looked so good against my skin tone and everything came out so natural and pretty. Again, all the products that I'm using to style this unit is in my Amazon storefront. And for your convenience, I always put it in the description box here below. So I'm going to be linking all of the tools, all of the products. And of course, the star of the show is the wig that you guys are going to all be asking for. So it is down in my description. Again, it's on my Amazon storefront. So you guys can definitely get this unit if you're looking for an easy style, vacation ready hair. It's also back to school time. And if you want something that's simple, you don't have the money, go ahead and get this wig, y'all. This wig is everything and more. This is the fullest install and the quickest install that I've probably done in so long. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. And please comment down below the videos that you would like to see. And I would like to personally thank A Young Beauty Hair for sponsoring this video. You guys, please go check out their shop on Amazon. They have some beautiful units and I'm so happy to be showing you guys this one.